Yes, Etsy family. I hope you guys are well. Guys, I got this fantastic video for you today. I'm going to show you exactly how you can increase your sales with this simple hack. So stay right to the end because I got a bonus tip for you too. But guys, as usual, if you love Etsy products, you love creating, researching, listing, designing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget share because that's what we do over here. We share. We love that sharing stuff. Guys, listen. If you understand all my videos lately, we've been talking about the custom personalization. Yeah, that angle is the one to kind of push, right? That's one side. But listen, one simple smart hack that you've got to start looking and doing, which is about understanding that one design, one creation can sometimes be used for different products. Okay, it's very simple. Now, if I go to keyword research using my go-to EVERBEE SEO software, my research tool, the one I call EVERBEE. Check out the link just there, free access to try it out. So look, I go to keyword research because that's how I actually find these nuggets. Now, what you need to do is you need to find these keywords where people are looking for something specific. Now, I'm going to show you something which is absolutely massive. I've spoken about it before on my videos, but look, I've just typed in birth flower, birth month flower. Now already something like that has a massive keyword score. Now here on the side is keyword score. That means this is the mark that it gives it for how strong the keyword is in terms of saturation levels. So 100 is a very good number. Now what it is even more so when I go down to filter and I look at various things within birth month flower, there are even better keywords. So what I'm saying is, it's always important to do your due diligence and do your research to see if a keyword works. Because say in this case, for example, the birth month flower, look, there's so many fantastic keywords coming from birth month flower. And they could be birth month flower, personal birth month flower candles, birth month flower pillowcases. Once you start seeing that people are actually searching for this keyword with products, then you know it's a winner. So I always urge people, do your keyword research first. Think about a idea. So like I said, birth month flower, zodiac, astrology personalized. Start looking for these things that people have strong emotions with. People are actually, they search for these that relates to them, the time that they were born, or anything like that that is quite emotive. If you start looking for these things, you're going to find some real gems. So I always urge people, do your keyword research first. So in this case, I can see that the birth month flower or the birth flower is fantastic because I can see that other keywords are also being searched that are similar and they have fantastic keyword scores. So then what I would do is, see, look, personalized birth flower is absolutely huge in terms of the keyword score. Massive. And there's so many different parts of this where people are looking for. So I know for a fact that this is massive and it's big in terms of for every area, from jewelry to wall art, it's massive. So then you go and do your research further. And again, using EVERBEE, you go and see how much people are selling these, are making money. And once you've identified that people are doing well, then that's where you sort of go into it. Now here, I've just typed in birth month PNG. And you can see that these birth month flowers, they're just digital download, guys. These are just digital downloads. They're not even print on demand. And even these are starting to make money. So look, I'm going to go to product analytics. I'm just going to look and see how much these things are actually making. I mean, look at this. It's absolutely crazy. See, this birth month flower bundle, bouquet SVG bundle is making 2,676. It's only a digital download. And that's all it is. It's in demand. It's big. And what they do is they sell these beautiful birth month flowers, depending obviously on the month that you're born in. So you got March is daffodil, April is daisy, May is lily, June is rose, and so on, in this kind of really cool tattoo style. So people buy these because obviously how it works is with digital downloads, it's so easy. They can sort of create their own wall art like this, or maybe make a t-shirt out of it like this. So it's a really cool one to kind of sell, easy to do. However, personally, I wouldn't stop there. Once you know that the birth month flower is something that works, then all you need to do is repurpose and use this design idea onto other items on print on demand, right? Onto other products through Printify. And check out my videos on print on demand if you're not sure how that works. But literally look at this. Birth month flower, right? Digital download. Now let's go to other items that people are selling. Here's a birth month flower, which is actually a tumbler. So people are selling the physical tumbler with obviously a personalized one with the name of the person with a birth month flower. Now let's just get an idea of how much this possibly could make. Now this item only is currently making $6,666 per month. It's in demand. It's massive. It's a bestseller. Boom. It's got 30% off, so you got to take that into account. But the other thing I will say to you, remember, those of you that know, the new gift mode, the gift mode style is something that you need to focus on. So whenever you are selling your items, remember you have big words that you should be including to help the algorithm favor you, like personalized, like gift, like custom, right? I've done videos on this. Remember, you want the Etsy algorithm to favor you, start focusing on this. But anyway, come back to what we're talking about, the birth month flower. Look, it's repurposed in another way. Here's another one. This is a simple mug design. However, they've used this birth month flower method where they customize it. So they put the names of the people that are born in these particular months. So they've got the birth month with the name of the person that they're born in from the family. So that's a fantastic gift. Again, it's repurposed. This digital download, these designs were repurposed to sell mugs. Now, how much is this making? This is the fantastic thing about this is this mug is selling for making $10,107 per month. Now, it is on a sale right now, so you got to take this into account. Now, imagine you have a store and you are selling birth month mugs. You are selling the digital download, right? You are selling tumblers. You are selling different products related to the birth month, right? Absolutely phenomenal. Look at this one. This is a wall art, right? Which is a bouquet of the different flowers that the family is born in and with the names at the bottom, right? Fantastic. Quite straightforward to do. Again, let's see how much this is making. This is making $13,300 per month. It's only been out for 3 months, guys. It's only been out for 3 months. It's got 20 plus views. It's a bestseller. It's not even on a sale. It's not on a sale. It's making that alone, right? There's another one. Now, here's another one, guys. This is the same concept where you got the birth month flower with the names of the people from the family at the bottom written in. And then let's have a look at this. This is a pillowcase, right? How much is this making? This is currently making $4,000 per month, right? It's on a 25% off sale, so you got to take that into account. Again, fantastic personalized gift, fantastic Mother's Day gift. So it kind of crosses over different areas, which is great. So you can imagine that this kind of thing would be a fantastic gift. But look, imagine you are selling all of these items in your store. And the beautiful thing about this is they all relate. They're all connected. So it would actually be a fantastic thing. And you can imagine that if somebody buys a mug, they're going to buy a pillowcase possibly. They might buy a wall art because they love the birth month concept idea. They just love that personalization. Now, this, guys, is not the only thing you can do or you can find in terms of like idea or concept. There are hundreds of concepts out there, guys, right, as we speak, in terms of like with Etsy to find these fantastic ideas where you can repurpose, use a design idea and actually put it onto different products. So guys, I urge you, go to EVERBEE, do your keyword research, find a fantastic keyword, right? First, find a strong keyword, do your product analytics, go and have a look at sellers that are doing this or selling from this fantastic keyword, and then actually see if you could apply this to your own store. And guys, this is one easy, simple hack that you could do to actually massively increase your sales, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.